Freddie was pretty relentless on the table footy.
It's probably the most one-sided Manchester derby of all time.
I'm getting one easily.
I couldn't get beat at that by a racing car driver, could I?
If I can rattle Freddie's confidence with the next one and have a good victory on that, then it's anyone's ball game again.
I let myself down, went a bit too hard at it, and about the third corner, came off the track. From there, he's an hard man to catch, Mark Webber.
Your heart rate was 64 at the moment, so not too bad at all. I think the highest I got to was about 80, so we'll see how Freddie's goes. Hopefully I've got him covered.
Heart rate was fine. I think it got into the 90s at one point, but worst thing was fighting sickness. I reckon if it had pushed me, I'd have been throwing up like a good one. Yeah, it's got to be up there with the best things I've ever done. Right up there. I'm at Red Bull's Hangar 7 at Salzburg Airport, racing remote control cars around the track.
I'm hoping that I can continue my form off the back of the Skeletrics and give Freddie another touch-up.
This one again is to do with motorsport, so I'll be going into it the underdog, but in some ways that takes the pressure off a little bit. I think the track's going to pose a few problems. You've got the Red Bull cans to get in between. Us as well, it's a bit slippy. I just hope I've got the right tyres on.
I think there might be a bit of contact in this race. I think I'm going to try and unsettle Freddie pretty early with a bit of contact, and if I can damage his car, that'd be good as well. I need to use all my 15 years of experience to come to the fore here and try and make sure that I do the business. Eight years of hard work went into this. 8 years of research and Formula One development, and Freddie's just got me on Yorkshire pies, basically.
Winning in 2005 against the Aussies was one thing, but this is just 10 times better. It's unbelievable.
Yeah, deep down, obviously, it's hurt me a lot to lose today. One of the most pressurised days I've had in a long time in my life. Competing against Freddie, this level wasn't easy all day, and to throw the heart rate monitors on there was an added challenge to try and keep that down because we couldn't control it.
Yeah, I'm pleased to beat Mark. It's always nice getting one over an Aussie. More than anything, it's been a great day. The chance to fly in an aeroplane like we did, and the different challenges. No, it's been great fun. It's got to be up there with the best thing I've ever done.